Welcome back to a Friday bonus vid. It is Sunday morning. We are heading out to the dam, to one of the dams, not sure which one, I wasn't listening when people talk about it. We've got all the rigs here and we are going out to just go have a day trip, have a barbecue, have all the good stuff. I'm going to do a pie tasting too at Arachula, so I look forward to that. We're going to try out some different pies, get keen.
What are you doing?
Pie tasting as well in Arachula. So we're going to do that. Keen for that. We've got all the gear and all the idea.
All the gear, no idea.
So I bring my hammock. The boys bought their hammocks.
Jaden got on my hammock and thought of me. I love Jaden.
When?
Well, you have to chase this.
Ouch. Wow. Yeah, nice stickers there. Hello, you two. And then we got my two over in our car. So it's going to be a fun day, a doggy day. AJ Larkin garage, there's my two darlings. Yep, when you don't have kids, your dog's your next best thing. Alright. Oh, there's a gully. Better flex it up and take a photo. Navara drivers. You're one of those people.
Stock flex one.
Had the patrol, mate, I could flex up on top of you when you're in this.
Oh,
Look at this. Oh, found a gully. Got a flex in it. More crawler, eh? Hey, you leave my patrol alone, mate. Flexing, bro. We're here at Lake Mugra. Shut up. Here at Lake Mugra with the boys and our partners, obviously. Dam's down a lot. It used to be up like around here or something, but yeah, it's definitely down. Not good. Not good. We haven't been out here for a very long time. But, so this is just out of Arachula. If you haven't been here, you can take your boats and do skiing and all that, but if you have a boat and do that, you obviously know about this place. But yeah, wow, it's definitely a lot lower than it used to be. Not good, not good, not good at all. So we're gonna hopefully be able to set up something here. We're at a little campsite. We don't know if it's dog friendly, so we're not sure if we can actually start cooking and all that good stuff yet, because we have to sign in and all that. But yeah, we're gonna check all that shit first, and then how's it going, mate? And then set up all that, have some snags on bread, and that should be good. Oh, we're off-road. We better put on our bloody 4-drive lock, downhill assist, and chuck her in manual mode. 4-drive action, here we come. Bogging on this dirt. No outdoor barbecue is complete without a whiskey and coke. Good stuff. What a nice little setup we got. Not enough room in the car, so you know, the unlucky one has to sit on the tray. We're going very slow, so it's okay. Welcome back to the AJ Larkin Garage Cooking Show. We have cooking show. We've got
We do everything and anything,
vegan sausages,
even my pet.
normal human sausages. Oh, we got not human-made sausages, sausages for humans. Bit of onion happening, cheese, crankies, herb and garlic, normal sausages. We got everything happening here. How exciting! So, what a nice spread we have here, eh? It's a good day for it. Spread. What a delicious spread we've got. We've got all of our delicious food, all our sauces, bit of green shit, red shit. Sorry, Brody. We've got salt, pepper, cheese, pasta salad, butter, bread. We've got some buns over here. It's going to be a mean feed. Mean feed. Just had lunch. Sitting back admiring the view from our hammocks. Living the dream, Barry. This is living. Having a nice whiskey. Oh, what a Sunday. What a nice Sunday, eh?
VB long neck on you.
VB long neck up here.
3 meter flatty out there.
Good times. Alright, so we've been there for a few hours. I've had a few brewskis. It's been a good time. Good to get out and about in the time, you know. Can't always be about cars. I think I've done this before. I've also talked about that. Yeah, good to get out in nature. As you know, this channel is mainly about car shit, but I like to also get out and do non-car stuff because it is fun. Not much of a car meet sort of a person, because speaking to a GoPro in front of a whole bunch of people is really awkward. But being out, you know, in the outdoors doing that's good fun. So hopefully we'll probably come back here again. I don't know if there's any four-wheel drive tracks, but if there are, we'll take the two boys' utes out. But if you're interested in seeing like four-wheel drive stuff, chuck a comment down there and we'll go for like four-wheel drive stuff too. We just haven't done it because no one's really seemed interested. I used to have the Patrol, as the OG people would know, but we got rid of that to get the wifey's car, but that's all good. One day maybe we might get another four-wheel drive, don't know. Oh, sorry, the sun's in your faces there. But yeah, so this is going to be a Friday vid. Depends on how I edit the other shit. We'll see what you see. We're either going to see me pull apart a winch or working on Connor's car. So we'll see how that goes. But regardless, it should be good. Hopefully you guys enjoyed something a bit different. You guys gave me some good feedback on the last video that we did stuff that was slightly different, which was good. Just so, you know, we're not just doing car stuff, which is sort of boring, I guess, once you just do it non-stop like a few other people do. But yeah, hopefully you enjoy. Check out the Instagram, the Facebook page. I've also got TikTok, because I'm one of those people now. So we've got a TikTok. I just throw up stupid shit that no one would probably be interested in. Doing a side series, AJ Cooking, which is great. How's it going? So yes, that's all that. But nah, we'll just do stupid shit. Yeah, pretty much check out everything we got. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, all that other shit. Everything but pretty much Snapchat we've got on. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. It means a lot. I know not a lot of you guys watch these sort of videos where it's not car related, but if you are watching, thank you very much. We do have some cool shit coming out very shortly that the boys don't know about, but I'm sure the boys are watching this right now, and they'll find out about that soon enough. But yeah, cheers for watching, and we'll catch you next time. See you later.